where the soft wind flows. Peace, like a river, gently finds its way, settles all the questions from my day. Stars above are twinkling in the midnight sky, speaking words of comfort as they drift on by, healing every worry, every doubt and fear in the stillness. Christ's voice, crystal clear. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength, like a gentle dove, healing power from above. In the hush of night, when the world's asleep, breathe in harmony, soft and deep. Christ's love wraps around like a gentle sea. In that moment, set your spirit free. Morning light breaks with a golden hue, bringing life to everything new. Peace still lingers in the fresh of dawn, guiding us until all fear is gone. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength like a gentle dove, healing power from above. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength like a gentle dove, healing power from above. Healing power from above. Healing power from above. Healing power from above. From above. Silent hours when the moonlight glows, I hear a whisper where the soft wind flows. Peace, like a river, gently finds its way, settles all the questions from my day. Stars above are twinkling in the midnight sky, speaking words of comfort as they drift on by, healing every worry, every doubt and fear in the stillness. Christ's voice, crystal clear. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength, like a gentle dove, healing power from above. In the hush of night, when the world is asleep, breathe in harmony, soft and deep. Christ's love wraps around like a gentle sea. In that moment, set your spirit free. Morning light breaks with a golden hue, bringing life to everything new. Peace still lingers in the fresh of dawn, guiding us until all fear is gone. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength like a gentle dove, healing power from above.
Alive, stop.
Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength like a gentle dove, healing power from above. Healing power from above. Healing power from above. Healing power from above. From above. hear a whisper where the soft wind flows. Peace, like a river, gently finds its way, settles all the questions from my day. Stars above are twinkling in the midnight sky, speaking words of comfort as they drift on by, healing every worry, every doubt and fear. In the stillness, Christ's voice, crystal clear. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength, like a gentle dove, healing power from above. In the hush of night, when the world's asleep, breathe in harmony, soft and deep. Christ's love wraps around like a gentle sea. In that moment, set your spirit free. Morning light breaks with a golden hue, bringing life to everything new. Peace still lingers in the fresh of dawn, guiding us until all fear is gone. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart.
Let's eat, guys.
Silent hours when the moonlight glows, I hear a whisper, soft wind flows. Peace, like a river,
Like this one,
gently finds its way,
an egg. Oh my god.
settles all the
Yum.
questions from my day.
Yum yum.
Stars above are twinkling in the midnight sky, speaking words of comfort
I love how the end is
as they
crispy on
drift
the outside
on by,
and soft on the inside.
healing every worry,
Except for
every
these
doubt
tiny
and
ones.
fear. In the stillness,
This one is just hard or chew.
crystal
And I love
clear.
it. It's like ham chips.
Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength, like a gentle dove, healing power from above. In the hush of night, when the world's asleep, breathe in harmony, soft and deep. Christ's love wraps around like a gentle sea. In that moment, set your spirit free. Morning light breaks with a golden hue, bringing life to everything new. Peace still lingers in the fresh of dawn, guiding us until all fear is gone. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength, like a gentle dove, healing power from above.